Hello students, good morning everyone. Again I am here to present my video. Those who are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, then you can share it also. Today I am going to teach you the third chapter, The Black Aeroplane, the part 2. First of all, we have to know about the author Frederick Forsyth. Frederick Forsyth was the renowned writer author of the British, and he was born on 25th August 1938 in United Kingdom, and The Black Aeroplane was the famous writings of Frederick Forsyth, and it was said that he was a journalist, former spy, and the political commentator also. He was the best known for thrillers such as The Day of Jackal, The Odisha File, The Fourth Protocol, The Dogs of War, The Devil's Alternative, The Fist of God, Icon, The Veteran, Avenger, The Afghan, The Cobra, and The Kill List. After knowing the author, now we have to see the introduction of the lesson. The lesson Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth reflects on how one's judgment gets distorted due to fantasizing and how it creates problems. In this chapter, the narrator is a pilot who is so eager to meet his family and have a good breakfast that he takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of doing the right thing. Miraculously, he somehow manages to escape with the help of a mysterious aeroplane. Now we have to read the chapters or understand the chapters stanza by stanza. The lesson's Black Aeroplane depicts vividly the mystery and suspense. It seems incredible sometimes to the scientific world. On the other hand, we can't deny the existence of such happenings. The lesson started with the narrator himself was flying his old Dakota aeroplane at 1 o'clock at night. The moon was coming up in the east behind him. Stars were shining in the clear sky above him. He was flying his old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. He was dreaming of his holiday. He was looking forward to being with his family members. Then the turning point came. He called the Paris control room. He told that he was on his way to England. He duly turned to that direction. Paris control duly acknowledged and advised him to turn 12 degrees west towards England. He duly turned to that direction. Everything was going well. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. Suddenly he saw the clouds, the storm's clouds. They were so huge, like the black mountains, standing in front of him. He knew he could not fly up and over them. He decided to go back to Paris, but he wanted to get home and have breakfast with family members. So he took the risk and flew into the storm. He could see nothing outside the aeroplane. Everything was black. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. He looked at the compass. It was gone. He tried to contact Paris control. He was lost in storm, but radio was also dead. He had no radio, no compass, no instrument, and he could not see where he was. Then, in the black clouds, he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings. He could see it flying next to him in the storm. He was glad to see the another person. He was waving his hand to follow him. The author thought he was trying to help him, so he followed him as a child. He flew over for half an hour. His second fuel tanks had to last for 5 or 10 minutes. He began to feel frightened. Then he started to go down. Suddenly, he was on the runway. He looked for his friend in the black aeroplane. He wanted to thank him, but the sky was empty. He went to the control room. He asked a woman where was the pilot of black aeroplane. She looked at him so strangely and then she laughed. She told that there was no other aeroplane in the stormy night except that of his author was and wonderstruck. The author was wonderstruck. He wondered who had helped him to arrive there. He was without a compass or a radio and without any instrument and without any more fuel in his tanks. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without light? After the explanation of the lesson, we have to know the summary of the lesson. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holiday with his family. He also fantasizes about the scrumptious breakfast he would have upon landing. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of upcoming storm. The right decision would have been to turn back to Paris for the sake of safety, but he, being overshadowed by his dreams and not wanting to delay them, risks the life of his passengers and heads straight into the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All his direction instrument stopped functioning and he lost control of the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. The author was panicking as there were very less amount of fuel left. The anonymous pilot guided them out of the storms and disappeared as soon as they saw light. Upon landing, when he asked the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that his was the only plane in the sky. At last, the message of the lesson, the story Black Aeroplane, teaches us that man should not give up his hopes. We should always try to help ourselves and never lose hope. The narrator believed that someone will help him, and at the end, he was helped by the pilot of the strange black aeroplane. We learned that we should take the risk and accept the challenge. The narrator was in great trouble but tough. Though he took on the risk, God lended a hand to help him. At last, the conclusion of the lesson. We should not lose our hope in trouble. The Almighty God is always there to help us. Thank you.